Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing and installing a new set of shock absorbers on my Dacia Duster. These are from Bilstein, and I got it from this website called Monster. They have a lift of 3.5 centimeters, and we will use it with the original coil springs. Let's see what's in the box. So, first of all, if you want to install any suspension kit with some lift, you will definitely need this engine lowering kit. These are some bolts that are going to lower your engine with a few centimeters, and doing this will prevent you from having some vibrations in the wheels when you get your car moving. Even if you install this suspension kit and the car has a few kilometers, at some point you will need this engine lowering kit. So it's better to install it when you install the suspension and have no worries afterwards. You can order this suspension kit anywhere in Europe, and you will get four shock absorbers that have a very good build quality, a lift kit of 3.5 centimeters, and I think they will do a great job. I choose this particular lift kit because I will make many miles on the road, and from what I've seen on the internet, is the best compromise between good off-road performances and of course comfort for the road usage. If you want to order this lift kit, you have the link in the video description, or you can order it by phone. Right now let's go into the dealership service and install it on my car, and afterwards we will test it and see how they perform. We're about to change the shock absorbers. Earlier I made some measurements. We have 65 centimeters from the base of the steel wheel up to the part where the plastic fender flare begins, and on the back we have 66 centimeters. I'm curious how these numbers will change after we install the new shock absorbers. We will change the cap over the shock absorber and the dust protection, but only on the front side, because we are hoping that on the rear side we could use the old ones.
So to be clear about the reason we have to lower the engine, the shock absorber is higher than the stock one, so the whole wheel system was lowered by 3.5 centimeters. This change made the angle of the, I don't know how this piece is called, to change as well. So if we let it like this, we will have vibrations once. After we are going to lower the engine, the angle of this piece will slightly restore. It won't restore at its original value, but we hope that in the future we won't have the vibrations in the first gear and setting off. One problem with the lowering process of the engine, it will get closer to the skid plate, and some big hits, the skid plate might touch the engine, so you will have to take it off more often and straighten it up. Otherwise you will have vibrations and engine noise all over the interior of the car. So here we are, the new suspension is installed. We have 4 centimeters lift gain, and I'm very satisfied with this investment. I already made 100 kilometers and I can assure you that the suspension is more stiff, but not as much as I expected. So if you want a good compromise between comfort and off-road capabilities for your Duster, these shock absorbers
are something to choose. If you want more information about how much it costed, the whole investment with parts and labor for changing it, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Before we end this video, I want to thank our sponsor Modster.ro for helping us making this video. In the next videos we will test out the suspension in some nice off-road situations. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.